Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss solid state reaction. This is from MSc Chemistry, semester 4 and unit 3 from Photochemistry and solid state subject. And in this video we will discuss the topics journal principle, experimental procedure and co-precipitation as a precursor to a solid state reaction. Now first, solid state reaction. Solid state reaction. A solid is defined as the form of matter which possesses rigidity and hence possesses a definite shape and definite volume. In which solid have definite shape and definite volume and it is hard. It has two types. First is crystalline solid and second is amorphous solid. So next, a solid is said to be crystalline solid, in which a solid is said to be crystalline if the various ion, atom or molecules of which the solid is made up of are arranged in definite geometric pattern within the solid. So in crystalline solid, in which have definite geometric pattern. In amorphous solid, the solid is said to be amorphous if the constituent ions, atoms or molecules of the substance are not arranged in any regular fashion. It means to say amorphous solid has not regular arrangement. Next, type of crystalline solid. So it has four types. First is ionic crystal, second is molecular crystal, third atomic or network or covalent crystal, and fourth one is metallic crystal. So first we will discuss ionic crystal. In these crystal, the constituent particles occupying the lattice point are the positive and negative ions. These ions are held together by the strong electrostatic force of attraction. So in ionic crystal, in which ions present like positive or negative ions, and these ions held together by strong electrostatic force. Now properties of this crystal. It has high melting and boiling point because of strong electrostatic force. So it has high melting and boiling point. And second is they are good conductor of electricity in the molten state or in the solution. Third property is they are soluble in polar solvent but insoluble in non-polar solvent. The ions are closely packed and hence the ionic crystal are hard. Because in ionic crystal they are closely packed, so it is hard. However, they are brittle because the stability of the crystal depends upon the preservation of their geometric pattern. Second type is molecular crystals. In this, the particle occupying the lattice point in this case are the molecules, weak in which van der Waals forces are weak, and polar molecules show dipole-dipole attraction. And non-polar molecule shows van der Waals forces are the London dispersion force, in which you can write the compound H2O2. You can write here H2O2 and N2. Next, property of this type. Properties: as the van der Waals forces are much weaker than the electrostatic force existing in ionic crystal, then the molecular crystal are soft and have low melting and boiling point. Because of weak van der Waals force, it has low melting and low boiling point. They do not conduct electricity in the solid or in liquid state or in the solution as there are no ions present. They are less soluble in water and more soluble in non-polar solvent. Polar molecular liquids act as solvent for ionic compound. It is soluble in non-polar and which is polar molecule liquid act as solvent. Okay, means जो in sorry means in non-polar soluble in polar solvent. Okay, as dipole-dipole attraction are strong than London force. London force, therefore, polar molecular crystal generally have higher melting point and boiling point than crystal of non-polar molecule of comparable molecular size and shape. Next type is atomic or network or covalent crystal. In these crystals, the lattice points are occupied by atoms which are linked together by network of covalent bond to form a giant molecule. Mean to say, in this crystal, the atoms or molecules link together like in network and form a big molecule. For example, diamond, in which the carbon atom are linked together by covalent bonds to give their dimension structure. And in which properties are in which high melting and boiling point, high melting point, high boiling point, non-conductor of electricity, mean it does not conduct electricity, extremely hard. It is very hard because of large number of covalent bonds that have to be broken to destroy the crystal structure. Now, fourth type of crystal is metallic crystal. These crystals consist of positively charged metal ions, that is called kernels, occupying the lattice points, which are held together by the metallic bond. The metallic bond arises due to presence of mobile electron as the ionization energy of metal is low. Unlike ionic crystal, the position of positive ions can be altered without destroying the crystal because of the uniform charge distribution provided by the freely moving electrons. This metallic crystalline can be easily deformed. Now the properties, it is malleable and ductile. Mean of the malleable means it can be converted into thin sheet, and ductile means it can be converted into long wire. Lustrous, luster means shining nature, thermal, conduct electricity, and thermal means conduct heating effect, has high melting point and high density. Now, next silent feature of solid state reaction, these occur at surface. So you can see that it is solid, so it can be occur at surface. The two solids should be in contact with each other. The reaction is not at room temperature but at very high temperature, and temperature should be 1000 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Now type of solid state reactions are in which is types is like solid form some solid and some gases. In solid, two solids combine to form some solid, and two solids combine to form some solid and some gases, and in fourth, some liquid, solid and some liquid combine to form solid, some solid and some gases combine to form solid, and sixth is some solid and some amount of gases to be formed, some amount of solid and gas, and solid in last, solid form gas plus solid. Experimental precursor in which use Wagner theory. Let A and B are two solids like this, and when it is heating, anion and cation start migrate towards the point of contact. Now, solid enters point in which solids enters point of contact. After some time, the thickness of interface increases and is called product layer, like that. After heating, this layer is produced. For example, MgO is a solid in Al2O3 aluminum oxide, and in which when it is heated, like this layer is produced, in which we can write here delta G is equals to delta H minus T delta S. When delta S is negative, T is very high. In solid state delta G is equals to delta H minus, if we will put here minus delta S, so it will be plus, and delta G is, if delta G is negative, delta H should be negative, and exothermic reaction heat is evolved. And we can say that we can some example for fourth type, like you can see that here. Fourth is some solid and some liquid to combine to form some solid. Means solid liquid is, it gives some solid. For example, silver in solid state, sulfur in liquid, and Ag2S. Experimental state, sulfur in liquid state, Ag2S in solid, Ag metal. That's like this. This is slabs. This is fourth slab. Its name is first, and its name is second. Now then heated, Ag2 positive diffuses from both slab 1 and 2. Diffuses from both slab 1 and 2, and these reaction occurs to maintain the electrical neutrality. It also moves along with Ag2 positive ion and to the fourth slab, and S in liquid state form into sulfide ion like this. So S to convert into S2 negative in the ion, and S2 negative plus Ag2 positive, it converts to Ag2S, silver sulfide. Next, observation. Second slab, it does not change, and third slab, it increases product, and of fourth slab decreases. First slab also decreases. It proves that Ag2 positive moved to fourth slab. In which Krinkeldal effect, when the progress of the reaction is shown by color changes at that product layer, this effect is called Krinkeldal effect. Step of solid state reaction. Appropriate starting material. First, starting material should be in fine product to maximize the surface area. Second, starting material should be reactive reagent, not inert. Okay. And second point is weight out of the starting material in stoichiometric ratio. In solid state reaction, this is less change of purification of product. And next step we will here mix together the reacting material very initially by mortar and pestle or by bell mill to decrease the diffusion distance. Now fourth, make pellets. Now select the sample container. Types of container used are crucible boards and seal tubes. Heating sometime temperature is increased by sometimes temperature is lowest to prevent the spillage and volatilization. For heating, we also require appropriate atmosphere like oxygen, air, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, brine, and analyzer. Precursor routes. Treatment before the solid state reaction increases the surface area of the reactive material. First, co-precipitation as precursor route to solid state reaction. First, it aims to decrease the diffusion distance, lower the reaction temperature, may stabilize the metal to stable state. And disadvantage is reagents are difficult to work with. Second, hard to control the exert stoichiometry, and third is it is not possible to find compatible reagent. Co-precipitation is said to have high surface area, but particle size is small, like this. Here particle size is 10 raised to power 10 Armstrong, and here 10 raised to power 3 to 10 raised to power 8 Armstrong. After co-precipitation, particle size increases like in between these size. Steps for co-precipitation: mixing the starting material, reactant plus co-precipitation reagent, water, acetate, citrate, etc. Removal of solvent, amorphous or nano crystalline mixture of cation and one or more anion OH negative, oxalate, acetate, citrate, And in the third step, heat the resulting gel or powder which we get from above heat to start and solid state reaction. For example of co-precipitation synthesis of zinc ferrous oxide, zinc xanoxylate and ferrous oxalate starting material. So mix the oxalate zinc and ferrous, zinc and iron with water in 1:1. Heat to evaporate water. As water decreases, we get mixed ZnFe zinc ferrous oxalate, which also hydrated as precipitate. Now these reactions is occur along with when we heat, and this fraction is filtered and heat at 100 degrees Celsius. An advantage is easy to perform, and here disadvantage is when we do not comparable solubility reactant, then this method cannot be performed. And second disadvantage, accurate stoichiometry cannot be maintained. And next is in particle form many ionic combination.